get this deck cleaned up. Welcome back, Like Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Well, so much for my herb garden here up on the deck. Thanks to all the snow and all the rain we've had, it's all rotted out. Oh, no. Well, I don't know. Should I invest in another one? Maybe not this season, but we'll see. I've got to get this all cleared out. I removed the herbs that I had here. They were still intact, thankfully. Red Russian kale is looking great. I love the purple veins. So pretty. Such a pretty color. This will be another project to get this all cleared up. I usually plant a lot of my summer lettuces here, and that looks like a collard green there. Yes, I'm gonna get all of this cleaned up eventually, but that is not what I'm doing today. I'll save that for another time. Not today. Well, all of this talking is not gonna get this deck cleaned up, so let me get to it. Hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2024. A little motivation for the unmotivated. All right, so it appears that there's going to be a part 2 of this project. I think I bit off more than I can chew, but I will show you what I have gotten done so far. I've got a power wash, spray. There's a lot more that needs to be done out here. There's just a lot of dirt and grime and algae out here. I didn't sign up for all of that today. So yes, there will be a part 2 to this deck cleanup. So again, I'm going to show you what I've done so far. It may not look like much to you, but trust me when I tell you, I know what it looked like before. Okay, so I've got a bunch of junk over here. Some of this is trash. Other things just needs to be hand cleaned really well. I've got a bunch of pumpkin guts, if you will. There's a lot of seeds and all kinds of stuff in here. This is going to be compost. I'm not going to open up that bag to show you because it is gross. I'm going to find some place in the yard to bury all of that. I'm not going to let that good pumpkin go to waste. I found my little sifter here, and I just put it here for now. I'll let the rain clean that up a bit. Here, this is one of those water features. Just put it there for now. All of these will get potted up, planted with new things. These tall planters here, they'll have some beautiful spring flowers. These smaller ones, I'll plant something inside these. We'll figure that out. All of this just needs to be cleaned. I need the water hose to spray that down. This green planter was up here on the railing, and I don't think I'm going to use it anymore. I had a second one, but it fell off the deck and cracked, so I'm probably just going to remove this one altogether from this area. Yeah, I could be starting some seeds in here. I'll do that later. I'm thinking about spray painting this table here this spring. Definitely just needs some soap and water and a nice good scrubbing. We'll spruce up this area this spring. So it's looking promising. Just needs a lot of scrubbing. So stay tuned for part 2. So what we have here are the Green Wave mustard greens. This variety has been a favorite American mustard for many years. Very popular with gardeners. It's an excellent producer. It grows very well during the midsummer and resists balting. It has an upright growth habit. The leaves are curled and very frilly. The medium green leaves stay tender to a good size. The plant can reach 2 feet in height. The green wave mustard is a cool season vegetable. It prefers a sunny location in your garden, fertile, well-drained soil. It is rich in important plant compounds and micronutrients, specifically vitamins A, C, and K. Very beneficial for eye and heart health, as well as anti-cancer and immune-boosting properties. Mustard greens can be eaten raw or cooked. How you prepare them may alter the vegetable's nutritional content. Having said that, raw would be the best way to consume them. They are high in fiber, which helps to lower the amount of toxins in your digestive tract and normalize cholesterol levels. Mustard greens offer a slightly higher protein content over collard greens. Mustards make for a great detox food and helps to aid in weight loss. Mustards are a cut and come again plant. With all of the healthy benefits of this plant, who wouldn't want to keep coming again and again? Young and tender leaves are ready to be eaten at 4 to 5 inches long. Harvest the outer leaves to allow the inner leaves to continue to develop. There you have it. Go eat yourself a bowl of mustard greens. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.